I chose to study beauty because it's something I've always wanted to do as a kid. I used to do my mum's makeup all the time.
I just really wanted to leave school. I wasn't enjoying it, and I've always wanted to do this.
So I just thought I might as well do it and see where it takes me. It's been really good. I was nervous at first, but then I started to get to know everybody.
I felt quite nervous before starting, but when I got in here, it was fine.
All the other students are really nice.
It's much better than school. When we started, we practiced on each other to learn how we do things before we bring in actual clients.
People from Oban can come in and get a treatment, so you have to answer the phone and make appointments and then do treatments on everyone.
We get to do all these different treatments and just learn everything about them. It's going really good. I'm really enjoying it so far.
I think I like doing manicure the most, especially nail design, because you can just be creative with it. So far, I know how to do a facial. I'm improving a lot in my manicure skills. I'm still learning about pedicure and massage, just trying to get the procedure right.
I do feel quite confident now doing level 5. I feel like I've got onto it quick.
I really want to pass this course so I can get further ahead. I can definitely see myself doing this in the future.
I'd like to go into level 6 for this course and then start working in salons, and then in the future maybe starting my own business.
The teachers, they will teach you everything that you need to know.
They're really nice. They take time to understand things that you don't get. It's really helped me get this far. I feel like I'm actually succeeding more than I have ever in school.
It is a good thing that UHI is here because it's a lot closer than any other college.
I can stay here and learn what I want to do for my future job.
I think it's okay to be scared at first, but you never know unless you actually try it.
It's really helped me in my confidence and getting out there and trying new things.
It's a really nice place and you'll feel so much better once you get used to it.
Definitely go for it.
I'd just say go for it.